The Huntsville man arrested last week in connection with the January 6th Capitol breach was in federal court today.
Yeah, through teleconference, 36-year-old Brian Smith went before a magistrate judge in Washington, D.C. for his initial appearance. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joining us now in the studio with what came out of that hearing.
That's right. The remote hearing lasted less than an hour and consisted mostly of the court and prosecutors outlining conditions for Brian Smith's release from custody. Smith was arrested by FBI investigators at his house here in Huntsville early last week. He's been in custody since. Now, Smith faces charges of civil disorder, entering and remaining in a restricted building or grounds with a deadly weapon, disorderly conduct, engaging in physical violence in a restricted building or grounds, and parading and demonstrating or picketing in a Capitol building. Investigators reportedly reviewed several YouTube videos, police body camera footage, and surveillance footage where Smith and several others are accused of a violent assault against several law enforcement officers in the tunnel of the Capitol building. Investigators also say surveillance cameras show Smith going into the tunnel where he can be seen sparking a stun gun that he took out of his pocket. From there, the documents say that the stun gun was passed around to people in the crowd. Now, Smith waived his right to a preliminary hearing today. He will have a status hearing on February 23rd at 1 o'clock. In the meantime, in accordance with his monitored release, Smith is also required to surrender his government passport and refrain from any international travel. Now, another condition of his required release requires Smith to maintain employment. However, Smith's retained attorney stated that Smith is a helicopter pilot and the job requires security clearance. The attorney says he lost that clearance when he was arrested on these charges. So he's agreed to actively seek employment that does not require that security clearance. Jerry.